So we'll start with exercise 11.3, question 7. Right. 36x square plus 4y square is equal to 144. So what I will do is I will divide this whole equation by 144. As you know that I want my right hand side to be right. So 36 fours are 144 and 436 are. Here you can see that the value of b square is greater than value of a square. My major axis is y-axis. So we'll use the formula pertaining to the major axis as y-axis. Right. So on comparing, you know that on comparing with x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, the value of a square is 4, whereas b square is 36. Therefore the value of a is 2 and b is 6. Here, as your major axis is y-axis, the formula for eccentricity will be a square is equal to b square 1 minus b square, giving the value of a square as 4 and b square as 36. I will have 4 by 36 is equal to 1 minus e square, and e square will be 1 minus 4 by 36. I can write this 4 by 36 as 1 by 9. So I will have the value of eccentricity as 8 by 9, taking square root will give me 2 root 2 by 3. Now foci is on y-axis plus minus BE. So 0 comma, this will be 6 into 2 root 2 by 3. It is on 0 comma plus minus 3 ones are 3, 2s are. So 4 root 2. So we got the answer for foci. Right. Then vertices, you know that your major axis is y-axis, therefore the vertex will be 0 comma plus minus b. The value of b is 6, so 0 comma plus minus 6. Length of major axis here is 2b, so 2 into the value of b is 6, 12. The length of minor axis is 2a, so 2 into the value of a is 2, so it will be 4. And lastly, the length of latus rectum, here it will be 2a square by b, so 2 into the value of a square is 4, b is 6, so it will be 2 ones are 2 threes. So the length of latus rectum will be 4 by 3. Question 8. The given equation of ellipse is 16x square plus y square is equal to 16. Again, this is not in the standard form, so dividing by 16, I will have 16x square by 16 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 16 by 16. So this this will be x square by 1 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. You can see that here b square is greater than a square. So major axis is y axis over here. On comparing with x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. The value of a square is 1, whereas b square is 16. Value of a is 1 and b is 4. We'll try to find the value of eccentricity using the formula a square is equal to b square 1 minus e square. So 1 is equal to 16, 1 minus e square 1 by 16 is equal to 1 minus e square. Therefore e square is 1 minus 1 by 16. 15 by 16. Therefore eccentricity is root 15 by 4. Now for foci, I know that it is on y-axis, so 0 comma plus minus b. The value of b is 4 value, whereas eccentricity is root 15 by 4. So this 4 will get cancelled out, and my foci is 0 comma plus minus 15. And vertices again, it is 0 comma plus minus b. The value of b is 4. So vertices is 0 comma plus minus 4. Then length of major axis 2d, 2 into 4 is 8. Length of minor axis is 2a, 2 into 1 is 2. Lastly, the length of lattice rectum, here it will be 2a square by d, keeping the value of a square as 1 whereas b as 4. The length of the lattice rectum will be 1 by 2. Question 9. Again the equation of ellipse given is not in standard form. 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 36. So what I will do is dividing by 36. 4x square by 36 plus 9y square by 36 is equal to 36 by 36. Therefore x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Here you can see that the value of a square is greater than the value of b square. Therefore my major axis is along x-axis. So on comparing with x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, I will get the value of a square as 9, b square as 4. So my a will be 3 and b will be 2. We'll try to find the value of eccentricity using the formula b square is equal to a square 1 minus b square. So 4 is equal to 9, 1 minus e square. 4 by 9 is equal to 1 minus e square. E square will be 1 minus 4 by 9, 5 by 9. Therefore the value of eccentricity is root 5 by 3. Now foci. As you know that the major axis is along x-axis, foci will be on x-axis, a comma 0. The value of a is 3. Eccentricity is root 5 by 3 comma 0. 3 will get cancelled out, and I will have plus minus root 5 comma 0. This is my foci. and vertex. Vertices they are on plus minus a comma 0, so it will be plus minus 3 comma 0. The length of major axis is 2a, 2 into the value of a is 3, therefore 6. The length of minor axis is 2b, 2 into 2 is 4, and the length of lattice vector here it will be 2b square by a. 2 into b square is 4, whereas the value of a is 3, so it will be 8 by 3. Question 10, see, here the equation of ellipse was given and we were asked to find coordinate of foci, vertices, length of major axis, length of minor axis, and length of lattice vector. But here in question 10, they will give you some uh, factors, that is vertices, focus, or length of major axis, length of minor axis, and uh, using that parameters we'll find the value of a and b, and eventually they will write the equation of ellipse. Here we have to just write the equation of ellipse based on the given information. Like here it is given that the vertices is plus minus 5 comma 0, whereas my foci is plus minus 4 comma 0. I can definitely say that my major axis is along x-axis, as foci and vertex both of them are on x-axis definitely. So I know that when my major axis is x-axis, vertices is plus minus a comma 0, and my foci is plus minus a comma 0. So on comparing, I will get the value of a as 5, whereas ae as 4. Keeping the value of a in equation here, I will get the value of eccentricity as 4 by 5. I got the value of a, I got the value of eccentricity. We will find the value of b using the equation b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. As my major axis is x-axis, I will use this for. So 25, 1 minus 16 by 25. So 25 into this will be 9 by 25, and the value of b square is, so equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Therefore x square by a square 25 plus y square by b square, which is 9, equal to 1. This is the equation of ellipse that we got. Question 11, vertices 0 comma plus minus 13 and foci 0 comma plus minus 5. As you can see that the same parameters is given in question 11 as we were having in question 10, but you can see that the vertices and foci both vertices and foci both are on y-axis this time. So definitely my major axis is y-axis in this case, right? So vertices जो होता है y-axis पे, that is 0 comma plus minus b, and foci जो होता है that is foci is y-axis plus minus be. So on comparing, I will get a value of B as 13, whereas VE as 5, and will keep the value of B as 13. Will give the value, will have the value of eccentricity as, so I got the value of E as 5 by 13. Now I got the value of B. I need the value of A, and I will find the value of A using the equation A square is equal to B square 1 minus E square. As you can see that if my major axis is x-axis, I will use the formula of eccentricity as B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. Whereas if the major axis is y-axis, I will use A square is equal to B square 1 minus. So A square, so I want to find B square is 169 1 minus 25 upon 169. Pythagorean triplet, I know that the subtraction will be 154, and I want the value of A square as 154. Therefore, the equation of ellipse is x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1. Therefore, keeping the value of A square as 154 plus y square by b square. B square is 169 is equal to 1. This is the standard equation of ellipse. Question 12. Here the condition given or the parameter given are vertices plus minus 6 comma 0, and foci is also given plus minus 4 comma 0. Same as 10 question. My major axis is x-axis, as foci and vertices both are on x-axis. If my major axis is x-axis, then vertex is plus minus a comma 0 and foci is plus minus a comma 0. So on comparing, I will get a value of a as 6 and AE as 4, and keeping the value of a as 6 by 3. We will find the value of b square using formula b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. So 36 1 minus 4 by 9. 36 into 5 by 9. 5 4s are 12. Therefore, the equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Therefore, x square by 36 plus y square by 20 is equal to 1. This is my equation of ellipse. Let's try to understand the 13th question. And here the endpoints of major axis is given plus minus 3 comma 0, whereas the endpoints of minor axis is given 0 comma plus minus 2. You can see that the major axis is along x-axis because the endpoints of major axis is on x-axis. So major axis is x-axis, and if my major axis as x is x-axis, then endpoints of major axis is plus minus a comma 0. Alternatively, these are called vertices, and the endpoints of minor axis is 0 comma plus minus b. So definitely on comparing I will get the value of a and b. I will get a as 3 and the value of b is 2. So I can easily find the equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to what? Therefore x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to what is the equation of ellipse.